Welcome, dear friend, and may the peace of Christ be with you. Thank you for pausing with us to receive a word of hope for your day. Wherever you are, take a slow breath, quiet your heart, and open it to God. If this blesses you, subscribe and join our daily prayer family. And leave your intention in the comments so we may carry one another's needs before the Lord. Let us begin. The mercies of the Lord that we are not consumed, because his commiserations have not failed. They are new every morning. Great is thy faithfulness. Read that first line again slowly, because it is easy to miss what it actually says. The reason you have not been consumed is not your strength. It is not your discipline or your good record, or the fact that you have somehow managed to hold on. It is his mercy. You are still standing this morning because God has not stopped being merciful, and that is the whole explanation. Which means the thing keeping you up is not a thing you have to keep up. If it were your grip, you would have slipped long ago. It is his grip, and his grip has never failed. New every morning, not renewed, not repaired, not patched up and handed back to you. New. Yesterday's mercy was spent on yesterday, and it was enough for yesterday. This morning there is more, made this morning, for this morning. That matters if you woke up tired of yourself. You are not drawing from a supply you have already half emptied by failing. There is no ledger somewhere where each stumble takes something off what remains for you. God does not ration his kindness according to your record. Whatever yesterday held, today begins with a mercy that has never been used before. And notice where these two lines are standing. They sit inside a long book of grief in the middle of a poem written by a man watching everything he loved come down. That is where this sentence about faithfulness gets said, not after the trouble ended, but while it was still going on, with the ruin still smoking. So do not wait to be well before you say it. Hope is not the reward you receive for a solved life. It is something you can hold in the dark, because it does not rest on how the day looks. It rests on who God is. Faithfulness is a quiet word. It does not mean God will do something dramatic for you today. It means he will be exactly who he was yesterday, and will be that again tomorrow, whether or not you feel a thing. Think about the people you trust most. You trust them because they kept showing up. God has been showing up since before you existed and has not missed a morning yet. Great is thy faithfulness is not a compliment paid to God. It is a plain description of the ground you are standing on, which has held under everyone who has ever stood on it. It is Monday, and the week is in front of you, with all of it still unopened. You may already know which part of it you are dreading. Take this with you into that part. You will not be handed the whole week's strength this morning, and you do not need it. You will be given today's, and when the hard hour finally arrives, mercy will have arrived there first and be waiting for you. Your work is not to stockpile courage against a day that has not come. Your work is to show up to the hour and find that God already has. And if you have run out of patience with yourself, if you are the thing you are most tired of this morning, then hear the middle of it once more. His compassions have not failed, not for the person you were last year, not for the person you were at 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Nothing you have done has made the mercy of God tired. Come back this morning with empty hands and no speech prepared, and you will find it new and enough and offered to you again without a single word of reproach. Thank you for sharing this word of hope with us today. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May his face shine upon you, and may he give you his peace. If this was a blessing, share it with someone who needs encouragement. Subscribe and turn on notifications so we can pray together again tomorrow. Leave your intentions below. We pray for one another every day. Until tomorrow, go in peace.